Jamie here with TACC Air, and we are going to talk about push lock air hose. Push lock air hose is oftentimes overlooked as an option in the air hose industry. Also, people don't even know that it exists. So push lock air hose is just like traditional rubber air hose. It's going to be the same weight, same flexibility. By looking at it, you can't tell any difference. But internally, the webbing that gives the hose the strength is designed differently to use in conjunction with a push lock hose barb, which is designed specifically for this hose. And when the two are used together, you just push the fitting into the air hose. It is not super easy. You got to put a little bit of soap around it, push it into the air hose. Once it's in there, there's no need for hose ferrules, hose clamps, anything like that. You are good to go. So by doing that, it makes a lot of different things easier. Whether you're connecting, hose reels, different machinery, you can cut the hose to length, push on the ends, and set up systems really quickly. If you're on the job and you shoot a nail through a hose, the hose gets a tear or cut in it, you can simply cut the hose, take the hose that's on the existing fitting off. You'll have to take a razor blade, run it down the side of the fitting, and take that hose off, and then put the hose barb right back into the end that you just cut, and you are back in business. There's no downtime running to the repair center, going and buying a new hose, whatever you need to do. You are back in business. So if you're looking for an air hose, whether it's 1/4 inch, 3/8, 1/2 inch, it even goes larger sizes for different applications. We at TACC Air, we stock not all, but a lot of the different sizes of fittings, 1/4, 1/2 inch, 3/8. This particular fitting in my hand is a swivel fitting. So they make swivel fittings. They make them on a 90-degree elbow for different applications. So the possibilities are endless. It's cut to length. So we have it on 700-foot spools. So whether you're needing, 2 foot or 700 feet, we got you covered here at TACC Air. So take a look at this hose. It can save you a lot of money, keep you up and running on the job. Check it out at taccair.com. That's www.taccair.com.